Scott says the state is doing all it can to relieve fuel shortages and traffic jams to keep people evacuating ahead of Irma. Mandatory evacuation orders have been issued for the Florida Keys, parts of Miami-Dade County, and now several barrier islands on our coast. Governor Scott says his administration is working with federal authorities and other states to move as much gas into Florida as they possibly can. You can see this includes having troopers escort some of those fuel trucks. And gas is also in short supply right here in Southwest Florida. It has gotten a little better today, though. Fuel especially low, though, on Marco Island, which is under a voluntary evacuation order.
All right, and we've got this hurricane watch in effect for all of Collier County, storm surge watch as well. So Marco Island could definitely be one of the first areas in Southwest Florida to really feel the effects. 4 in your corners, Carl Fortier explaining what's being done to help you fuel up before you get out of Dodge here. Carl?
Well, earlier this morning, this Chevron station at the corner of Elkham Circle and Collier Boulevard ran out of gas and were out for several hours until a fuel delivery put them back in business. Now Marco Island police are recommending people fuel up and get off the island.
They couldn't deliver it until 4:30 this morning, and we were out of the fuel around 9.
They've since gotten another fuel delivery, and Yolanda Espinoza of the Chevron on Marco says people are eager to fill up their tanks as they start heading off the island ahead of Hurricane Irma.
We wanted to encourage early evacuation so people got ahead of the traffic and the crowds. They could get a hotel room, they could get off the island, they could not be part of a traffic jam on 75.
But Captain Dave Baer of Marco PD says the city won't issue a mandatory evacuation unless Collier County opens emergency shelters.
So we don't want to issue a mandatory evacuation if there are no shelters for people to move to.
Neighbors Paul Crane and Kimberly Popple are planning on riding out the storm on the island.
Not at this house, in another house with shutters and generators and all that stuff. So just right now tying up the boats and filling up coolers and getting prepared to see what happens.
The most important thing was making sure all the hurricane shutters were on. Just in case there's a storm surge, we're going to move things that are very important to us up to the 2nd floor.
Yolanda says she's taking the city's advice and getting off the island to higher ground.
God help us and be safe out there, everybody.
Now, Captain Baer with Marco PD asked people to conserve their fuel on Marco Island, maybe not get gas for a boat that they don't intend to use or a lawnmower. He also says that the bridges for Marco Island will not be closed unless they suffer some kind of structural damage. In Marco Island, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, in your corner.